Every odor-free ozone generator comes with 2, 3, or 4 plates. They create the ozone, designed for easy maintenance and normally last for years. They easily slide in and out of the back of the unit like a CD. Depending on how often the machine is used, these plates may need periodic cleaning. Even if the plates appear clean, an invisible film can build up on the plates, preventing the OdorFree from producing the maximum amount of ozone. If your ozone treatments are not as effective as they initially were, or the smell of ozone is not easily detected, the ozone output has probably diminished, and the plates will need to be cleaned. Cleaning the plates is easy. You may clean the plates in a solution of warm water and a cleaning agent such as vinegar, bleach, or a strong detergent. If using a dishwashing detergent, make sure it is not the kind that indicates gentle on hands, because those contain oils which can be difficult to remove from the plates. With a stiff bristle brush, vigorously scrub the stainless steel grills on each side of the plate for about 30 to 60 seconds. After scrubbing, it's very important to rinse the plates off with very hot water for at least 10 to 15 seconds in order to get all the soap residue off the plates. After rinsing, let the plates dry completely. Or use a hairdryer to speed up the drying process. When completely dry, reinsert the plates and the OdorFree is ready to go again. As an alternative method of cleaning, you can place them on the top rack of a dishwasher. Under normal conditions, the plates can be cleaned and reused for years. If used daily or in caustic environments, the film may not be removable after a number of cleanings, requiring replacement. The purpose of the filter is to keep dust particles off the plates. The filter is normally a bright white color. If it is discolored, it can also be cleaned. Simply take it over to the sink and clean it like you would a sponge. If it is really dirty or discolored, you can wet it, then add a little detergent to the filter and squeeze it. Rinse it by running water over it and squeezing it several times. The filter must also be completely dry and will take a little longer to dry than the plates. We know that you may have questions about ozone treatment in your particular situation, and we are here to respond and assist. Please feel free to call the Odor Answer Line at 800-558-6723. Our staff of U.S.-based ozone specialists are available from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. Eastern Time, or you may email us at support@odorfree.com.